Yo, what's up, Money Squad? Let's talk about something that's got a lot of people buzzing, Koho cards. You know, those flashy little plastic things promising financial freedom? But here's the burning question, can a Koho card actually help you build credit? Now, credit. It's like that mysterious, all-powerful force that determines whether you get that dream apartment, car, or even a decent interest rate on a loan. We all want good credit, right? But how does a Koho card fit into this puzzle? Let's break it down. On the surface, a Koho card might seem like just another prepaid card. You load it up with your cash, and voila, you're good to go. But hold up, there's more to it than that. Koho actually offers a credit building feature. Yep, you heard that right. It's like they're trying to give us all a financial superpower. But does it really work? Well, let's dive into the details. First off, we need to understand how credit works. It's basically a history of how you handle money. Do you pay your bills on time? Do you borrow more than you can handle? All this info gets recorded, and credit bureaus use it to calculate your credit score. The higher the score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans and credit cards with sweet interest rates. So, back to Koho. Their credit building feature is essentially a small line of credit. You set aside a certain amount of money, and Koho reports your on-time payments to a credit bureau. That's right, they're giving you a chance to show off your responsible money habits. But here's the catch, it's not a magic wand. Building credit takes time. You can't expect a perfect score overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And remember, consistency is key. Make those payments on time, every time. Now, while Koho's credit building feature is a cool option, it's not the only way to build credit. There are other avenues like secured credit cards and even paying your cell phone bill on time. It's all about establishing a solid financial track record. So, should you get a Koho card to build credit? Well, it depends. If you're looking to start building credit from scratch, it could be a good option. But if you already have a decent credit score, you might want to explore other options. Remember, building credit is about responsible financial behavior. It's about showing lenders that you're trustworthy with money. So, whether you choose Koho or another method, make sure you're using credit wisely. One last thing, always do your research. Read the fine print, understand the terms and conditions, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Your financial future is important, so make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on building that credit empire.